longboarder chased downhill by a drone operator from a driving car. Sounds challenging, right? Let's make this courageous idea happen. So, welcome to Valencia. I'm Alex, and today I'm on a mission to capture the coolest drone shots ever. My man Danny is the maverick of drone pilots, and he's gonna show you some things today that are gonna make your head spin. But first, let's find a place to warm up.
You probably want to stay in the car.
It's insane.
Danny, pack your stuff, let's go. It's time to meet our next hero.
Here's J-Rod. He's gonna help us with the shot. Let's go. Oh man.
Maybe you can drive with that thing.
No,
I'm just joking. That'll never happen.
if you put the drone in front, yes.
It was a mind-blowing ride for all three of us. We just kept on going till sunset and collected some incredible footage for Danny and J-Rod. We experienced something extraordinary, and we had a hell of a time doing it.
Skoda. Simply clever.